Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today I wanna storytelling about a narrative text. Okay, before I start, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever judged someone just by how they look? Okay, I'm Septal Kausar from class 10 2. I'm about to tell you a story that true beauty come from within. So sit back, relax, and listen to the magical tale of Beauty and the Beast. Let's begin. Beauty and the Beast. Once upon a time, in a far off land, there lived a wealthy merchant with three daughters. The youngest daughter was named Belle. Unlike her sisters, who were often vain and selfish, Belle was gentle, kind-hearted, and loved reading books more than anything. Her beauty was admired by many, but it was her pure heart that made her truly special. One day, tragedy struck. The merchant lost all his fortune in a great storm at sea, leaving him and his daughter with nothing. They were forced to leave their luxurious mansion and move into a small, humble cottage deep in the forest. Trying to rebuild his life, the merchant decided to travel to the city to sell some of his remaining goods. Before leaving, he asked his daughter what gifts they want him to bring back. The older sister demanded fine dresses and jewels, but Belle simply requests a single rose. On his way home, the merchant became lost in the dark forest. After wandering for hours in the cold, he stumbled upon an enchanted castle. Desperate and tired, he entered the castle, where he found food and a warm bed prepared for him. Tough, no one was inside. The next morning, as he was about to leave, he noticed a beautiful rose garden. Remembering Bella's wish, he plucked a single rose. Suddenly, a terrifying beast appeared and roared furiously, accusing him of theft. Trembling, the merchant begged for forgiveness, explaining that the rose was for his beloved daughter. The beast finally agreed to spare his life, but only on one condition. Belle must come to live in the castle forever. When the merchant returned home, he sorrowfully told his daughters what had happened. Belle, seeing her father's distress, bravely offered to take his place. At the castle, she was frightened at first, but the beast treated her with unexpected kindness. Slowly, Bella realized that behind the beast's frightening appearance was a gentle and a lonely soul. Day by day, their friendship grew, and eventually, Bella's feeling turned into love. The beast too longed to marry her, but he feared that monstrous form would stand in the way of their happiness. One day, Belle asked the beast if she could visit her father, who had fallen ill. Tough saddened, the beast agreed and gave her a magic mirror that allowed her to see him whenever she wished. Belle promised to return, but When she saw her father's fragile condition, she stayed longer than she intended. Heartbroken and believing that Pele had abandoned him, the beast became gravely ill. When Belle saw in the mirror how weak he had become, her heart ached. She realized that she truly loved him. Without wasting time, she rushed back to the castle. As she found the beast lying helpless in the garden, Belle wept and confessed her love for him. Her sincere word broke the powerful curse. In an instant, the beast transforms into a handsome prince. The prince explained that only true love could lift the spell, and Belle's love had freed him. Overjoyed, Belle and the prince were married in a grand celebration. They lived happily ever after in the castle, with Belle's kindness and courage remembered by all as the true magic that turned a beast into a man. And that, guys, is how a pure heart turned a beast into a prince. From this story, we learn a valuable lesson. Never judge a book by its cover, and never judge a person by their appearance, because true beauty isn't something you can see with your eyes, it's something you feel with your heart. I'm Septa. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.